Hello everyone, I am going to share two recruitment notification of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. First, for the post of officer for various discipline of engineering, and second recruitment is for the post of R&D professionals. This is the detailed recruitment notification for the post of officers and senior officers and engineers. And online application have been started on 18th August. Last date of online application is 18 September 2023. This is the detailed breakup of number of post and essential qualification requirement. Minimum experience required for the post of senior officers and others. You can see mechanical engineer 57 post, electrical engineer 16, instrumentation engineer 36 post, civil engineer 18 and chemical engineer 43 post. Maximum age is 25 year for the post of engineer, and essential qualification is respective discipline 4-year full time. And similarly you can see senior officers post, like senior officer LNG business 2 post, for which 28 is upper age limit for general category. 4-year full time degree in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical or civil engineering, for which 3-year experience is required. And for senior officer sales, total 30 post, full time MBA or PGDM with specialization in sales or marketing is required with 4-year engineering degree in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical or civil engineering. Senior officer EV charging station business 2 post, for which full time MBA or PGDM with specialization in sales marketing with 4-year engineering degree, for which 2-year experience is required. And fire and safety officer in Mumbai refinery 2 post, and fire and safety officer in Visakh refinery 6 post, for which full time BE BTech in fire engineering or fire and safety engineering is required. Quality control officer, total 9 post, MSc in chemistry and 3-year experience is required for quality control officer. Chartered accountant 16 post, maximum age limit 27 for general category candidates. Further, law officer 5 post, 26 upper age limit. Law officer HR 2 post, and medical officer 4 post, for which upper age limit is 29. Full time MBBS course. Registration at State Medical Council or Medical Council of India. General manager 1 post only, 21-year experience is required. Welfare officer Mumbai refinery 1 post, and some post is for fixed term contract basis in information system officers 2 post, IT infrastructure management, IT security management 1 post, application development 3 post, maximum age 29, and annual consolidated amount is 7.8 lakh per annum for this fixed term contract basis post. Respective disciplines eligibility criteria, like core discipline chemical, if you have done BTech in chemical, petrochemical, petroleum refining and petrochemical or petroleum refining, you can apply. Minimum marks required in qualifying degree is chartered accountant 50%, law officer minimum 60% marks, and for general OBC and EWS, and 55 for SC ST and person with disability. All other positions 60% for general OBC and EWS, and 50% for SC ST and person with disability candidates in the qualifying degree. Work experience as mentioned above for post of senior officers. This is the CTC based on the pay scale. For the post of engineer 16.98 lakh. Breakup of number of posts category wise. This is the person with disability eligibility criteria for which department, division or post, which category candidate can apply. This is the second recruitment notification for the post of R&D professionals like Deputy General Manager, Chief Manager, Deputy General Manager Hydrogen, Senior Manager Analytical, 9-year experience required, Senior Manager Bitumen Research, 9-year experience, Senior Manager Hydrogen, 9-year experience, Senior Manager Water Research. If you have PhD in Chemical Engineering, 9-year experience. If only Master Degree, MTech in Chemical or Environmental Engineering, 12-year experience is required. Maximum age for general category 39, and if I have PhD degree 42 years. Senior Manager Advanced Technical Service, Assistant Manager, Manager Advanced Technical Service, MTech in Chemical Engineering 6 or 9 years. Assistant Manager or Manager Engine, Assistant Manager or Manager Corrosion Research, 3-year or 6-year experience. 3-year for Assistant Manager, and for the post of Manager 6-year experience is required if you have PhD in Chemistry or Chemical Engineering. If having Master Degree in Chemical Engineering or Metallurgy, 6-year experience is required for the post of Assistant Manager, and 9-year for Manager in Corrosion Research. Assistant Manager Battery Research, Assistant Manager or Manager in Hydrogen, 2 posts. MTech in Chemical or Electrochemical Engineering, PhD in Chemical. Assistant Manager Solar Energy, Assistant Manager Combustion Research. Senior Officer Bitumen Research, Senior Officer Water Research, Senior Officer Catalyst Scale Up. These posts are for MTech in Chemical Engineering. If you have PhD in Chemical Engineering, for the post of Senior Officer Water Research, no experience is required. Senior Officer Petrochemical and Polymers, MTech in Chemical Engineering, 3-year experience is required. If having PhD degree, no experience is required. Upper age limit will be 33 years. And Senior Officer Engine, MTech in Combustion, Automobile, Thermal Engineering or Mechanical Engineering. Senior Officer or Assistant Manager Lube Research, Senior Officer or Assistant Manager Lube Research Lubricating Grease. Assistant Manager Intellectual Property Rights Cell, PhD in Chemical Engineering or Chemistry and registered patent agent with Indian Patent Office. And Chief Manager or Deputy General Manager Bioprocess, MTech in Biotechnology or Chemical Engineering with 15-year or 18-year experience. If having PhD degree in Chemical Engineering, Biotechnology, Microbiology, 12-year experience is required for Chief Manager, and for Deputy General Manager 15-year experience is required. And detailed work experience, job description and other details. You can see the recruitment notification in detail. I will be share the link for this recruitment in the description of the video. Remember, last date of application is 18 September. If you are eligible and want to apply, you can apply for the post. This is the cost to company CTC for the post of senior officer 20.37 lakh, assistant manager 24.61, manager 28.12 and deputy general manager 46.51. Placement posting for the post of R&D professionals will be in HPCL Green R&D Center at Bengaluru only. Application fee is same like officer's post. Any other notice would be uploaded only on website. Thank you.